Hi guys!
Today, mag-unbox tayo ng mga faces from SOT.
Nakikita niyo ba to? School of Tomorrow, Philippines. Let's go unbox! Beautiful. So many. Ooh, really cute. Ano sa loob ito?
Okay, what's this?
Oh,
We have this, guys.
what is this in the?
This is the pluglets.
Wait, this. Douglas?
Ah. Mm.
Wow.
We have a pluglets, Philippine Christian flag. This is the Philippine Christian flag. And this one is
Philippine flag.
Philippine flag.
And this is.
And we have a holder.
Yeah, like.
Yan, like this. Put this one, you put down this one, and ganyan. If you have question to your supervisor.
Oh, I know.
Okay na. Green, social studies.
Blue.
For science. This is
And
for
purple.
science. Word building.
And this clear.
Filipino.
And this clear.
And another AP.
Philippine.
For AP.
Oh.
And
What's
the
this?
memory verse.
Oh, I can do all things through Christ. Philippians 4:13a.
Wow, good job.
And this one.
And this one is master record sheet.
How can I see?
Ah,
What is this?
this is your grade.
What is this?
This one is the progress report. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let us check this one.
What?
We will check first.
Okay.
Here. Okay, look at this guy. See? Sketch, sketch, and wow, yan ang bata. So, color, color. Okay. Happy go, happy go, happy go. Let me see. Exercise. Wash your hands. Let me see, let me. So let's talk English. Why you have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 English?
Yeah.
So, here is party. Dish. This one is for giving. We're giving. This is for giving. Again. This one is wow, social studies, 13. The same. Yeah, good job. Science, this is the science. So this is all, guys, the faces of MJ, all new, all are brand new. And here we have this receipt, so look at that, to all her faces. This one is for the registration and membership, so look at the total. And this one is for parents and diagnostic tests for MJ and para sa akin. So guys, that's all. So alam niyo naman po mga gamit nito. This is the chart. Oh, we will put star there every time she got 100. And here, in every semester, you can give her this congratulations note. So that's it. And everyday goal. So she need to put his goal every day. She need to write. And yeah, so this one, guys, every time MJ's got 100, we will put a star on her chart.
Here's a
Okay,
red.
so every subject there is a color coding. So yellow for math, red is for English, green for social studies, and
Or
so
SS.
on. Okay, so the blue is for science, purple is for word building, and the white, the silver is for AP and Filipino. So that's all. So all goods na to, guys, all goods. This one, okay, all complete. Thank you to Ma'am Yan. And this one is the report card. And here, the monitor, master record sheet. This one is the progress report of the children, or MJ progress report. And we will write every time she finish taste test. We need to record on this master record sheet. So that's all for now, and bye-bye. Hi. So, hi MJ. Are you happy? Yeah, sure. Okay.